Welcome back. Today, we'll explore a topic that's both exciting and concerning: how AI is impacting jobs. Are robots taking over? Let's find out. AI isn't just about robots. It's about algorithms and automation that can perform tasks without human intervention. Some jobs are more vulnerable to automation. Let's break down the jobs that are at the greatest risk due to technological advancements. Number 1, manufacturing, robots in factories. In the world of manufacturing, automation is not a new concept. But AI-driven robots are taking it to new heights. Precision, efficiency, and the ability to work tirelessly make robots a favored choice in factories. From assembling cars to packaging products, they're reshaping the manufacturing landscape. While they're incredibly useful, they also raise questions about the future of human roles in this industry. Number 2, data entry, automation of repetitive tasks. Data entry has long been considered tedious and time-consuming. Now, AI-driven algorithms are automating these tasks, analyzing and inputting data at incredible speeds. It's revolutionizing the way we handle information, but it also means traditional data entry jobs are becoming obsolete. The shift is rapid, and it's vital for those in this field to adapt and learn new skills. Number 3, customer service, AI chatbots. Have you ever talked to a customer service representative and wondered if they were human? Chances are, you might have interacted with an AI chatbot. These virtual agents can handle a multitude of inquiries, learn from interactions, and provide immediate responses. They're transforming customer service, but what does this mean for human agents? There's a delicate balance between efficiency and empathy that we must consider. Number 4, transportation, self-driving vehicles. The transportation industry is on the brink of a technological revolution with self-driving vehicles. These autonomous machines can navigate traffic, follow regulations, and make decisions based on real-time data. They promise increased safety and efficiency, but also raise concerns about the future of professional drivers. How we integrate this technology will shape the very fabric of how we travel. Number 5, retail, automated checkouts. The next time you're at a grocery store, you might find yourself checking out without any human assistance. Automated checkouts are becoming commonplace in retail. They offer convenience and speed, but at the cost of traditional cashier roles. The transformation is both exciting and challenging, prompting us to question how technology should augment human interaction, not replace it. Now that we've identified the jobs at greatest risk, let's explore why these particular roles are so vulnerable to technological advancements. Essentially, tasks that are repetitive, rule-based, and require less human creativity are more prone to automation. But it's not just about replacing human effort, it's about enhancing efficiency, reducing errors, and allowing humans to focus on more complex tasks. While the automation of certain jobs presents challenges, it also opens doors to new opportunities. AI and technology are creating new roles, from AI ethics specialists to data scientists. Emphasizing creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence in our education and training will enable us to embrace these opportunities. So, how can we prepare for this future? Continuous learning, adaptability, and a focus on skills that machines cannot replicate will be essential. Whether it's taking an online course, attending workshops, or exploring new fields, staying proactive in our personal and professional growth is key. The integration of AI into our workforce is an inevitable and complex transition. While certain jobs are at risk, this technological revolution brings opportunities for growth, innovation, and positive change. Together, we can navigate this evolving landscape, creating a future where technology and humanity work hand in hand. What are your thoughts on AI's impact on jobs? Share your insights in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.